Hi, Namaste and welcome. I'm Madhu. I'm a certified yoga teacher working towards becoming a yoga therapist. If you're here, you've likely tried everything to feel better mentally, physically, spiritually, and all you've received in return is shame, embarrassment, overwhelm, and constant exhaustion. Yoga Therapy with Madhu is a safe, judgment free zone created by a woman, for women, or anybody who's constantly felt neglected by traditional medical advice and fixed fitness standards. Because honestly, health and life should not feel this sufferable. Yoga and any kind of movement should spark joy, growth, inspiration, and should not feel like a punishment. It should seamlessly fit in your life instead of being overwhelmed by it. Yoga therapy uses a blend of ancient wisdom and science backed tools. And the best part is designed specifically for your life and your journey. I don't talk about quick fixes, magic pills, or maybe the next nutritional trend that will give you immediate results. Because even if these work, they are short term and they're not sustainable. And just to let you know, the yoga therapy community works with hospitals and medical professionals. So we're not a substitute, but rather a bridge between the two. So if you're currently scared, suffering in pain each day, fatigued, suffer from trauma, then I invite you to check out my space. I have private sessions, workshops, and so much more. And of course, if you want to talk more, let's hop on a free call. You can find the details in the website. I promise you, you don't have to do this alone. And you don't have to be perfect or put together before you start feeling good about yourself. I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope I can be a small part of your journey. Take care.